guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Josiah, but I go by Saya. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you're not new, welcome back. As you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing knotless braids on myself. So this is like I want to say like the third or fourth time that I've done knotless on myself, and I get better every time. But today I found a layout for like parting your hair. So I found it on TikTok. It looks like this, and I'm gonna be doing large knotless. I usually do jumbo because the bigger the parts, the easier it is for me. But I'm gonna try to level down, and we're gonna go to regular large knotless. So let me show you guys the products I have. I got 2 combs. As you can tell, my hair is like a couple different colors. I got these 2 because they kind of match my hair, right? So I'm gonna either try to mix them or just do like the back half this color and the front half this color. Of course, I got Shining Jam. Okay, but to start, I'm gonna part my hair out, and I got my handy dandy mirror over here. Everything is sectioned off. That took like ages. I'm gonna start by putting my hair down and like sectioning it off. The first braid is always the hardest braid, but I didn't. This is how I'm doing the colors. This is the setup right now. My hair is really thin in the back, so it's hard to grip. So we're gonna see how this goes. And yeah. This is where I'm at. The ends, I just never braid all the way to the end. That's a little longer. This should not take me long. It's 12:31. I think I started at like 9. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't know the last time I talked to y'all, but the hair is getting full. parting still needs to get better, but like the layout, it really helped. Like, thanks TikTok. You're the realist. I feel like I'm moving in slow motion. I think I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm pretty much almost done, because you guys kind of get the gist of the process. This is just me showing y'all what's going on. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finally finished the back half of my hair and it's looking pretty good. Honestly, I'm in love with this color. I'm in love with this color combo. It's literally the cutest. It matches my hair so good. I feel like I'm about to go on vacation. But I can finally speed run the front half of my hair because now it's easier to see what's going on. But honestly, this is the hard part, but the easiest to do. If you guys have any tips of how to like best part the front section of your hair, I know match it to the back parts, but sometimes these parts don't really line up with the front of my head. So okay, I am not moving at the same pace I was earlier. I feel like it's taking me 30 minutes per braid, and I don't even know if this front section is like the same size as the back. And I'm not sure how to fix that. I feel like the boxes are bigger in the front than they are in the back. But this was a journey in itself. No, I know I have some time to improve, because you know some braiders, like, they'll make the whole braid the same length until the end, but I think it's the length that I get my hair in. And I just don't want any longer hair than my hip, and this is already kind of pushing it. So in the front, I'm trying to do less of this color because this is more of like a red brown. That color is more of a ginger color, and this more is like the color that I have. So I'm trying to use this more in the front. I think the next thing I want to purchase is like a braiding rack, because I definitely need this. Using my cabinets is kind of helpful, but I know just having a big rack that's already like sectioned off and I can just put all the hair up there and cut time would be so much better than like taking the time to reset and put a whole bunch of hair down. But I'm trying my best to keep my hair consistent in size. I know some are going to be bigger than others and some are smaller than others, because I don't really pay attention to how many pieces I add. I'm not that good at multitasking, so bear with me. I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time. A part of me really likes the color and a part of me really doesn't, and I think it's just because like there's so many different colors going on, and it, like, you can see every little imperfection, and I'm not the best at braiding, but so far it's going pretty good. I'm almost done. Hopefully I am done by 4 o'clock. This should not take any longer than what it is right now. If it's cutting it close, if I'm boiling my water by like 5:20, then that's crazy. And I also need to find a mousse around here. This is not for the weak. props to like braiders and stuff who do this for a living. My fingers hurt after just after a freaking one head. I mean, guys, I had to take like a 5-minute break from doing my hair because I got so frustrated with parting this front section. I don't know what happened or why. I think it's the size of my parts and like the sectioning of them, but I'll show y'all in a second. Hold on, let me finish this braid. Basically, I have this whole section here, but I'm having like a dilemma because this section is really thin, as you can see, and that's not really how the rest of my parts are, but this section is thin. I think I'm just gonna do it because not everything has to be perfect. So I'm trying to match what's over here, but this side doesn't really help as much. I just hope this comes out decent enough. I was attempting to make the parts in the front straighter than the ones in the back, but it doesn't look like that's going to be the deal today because like I'm struggling so much. I'm really happy with the results of it. Now I'm about to go get cute and I'm gonna slay today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.